morning. This is going to be a pretty quick video regarding this small rig cheese plate with multiple threaded holes cheese bar for monitor mount DIY camera accessories. This is $9.90 from Amazon. Basically what this is it's a bar of aluminum, and it has on each side is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 quarter 20 holes that are threaded, and then 2 holes that are not threaded. And then on this edge it has 2, I believe they're 3/8 standard holes that are threaded, and I think yeah, there's 2 quarter 20 holes that are threaded. This actually, the screw doesn't come with it. These bigger holes right here are not threaded, and neither are these. Neither are these. It comes with a 3/8 to 1/4 inch adapter, which can screw into here. It comes with, I believe this is probably a 1/2 inch, which doesn't thread into anything on here, but it is threaded inside with I think it's quarter 20. Yeah, it's quarter 20. What are these? Huh. Oh, you know what? I think this may be for something else. Anyways, let me grab so this measures 0.395 inches, or looks like these are 1 centimeter holes in here, and the unthreaded holes on the side measure out as, looks like 6.5 millimeters, so that's probably 1/4 inch. Yep, just slightly over 1/4 inch. And then these other holes, yeah, point 162. Looks like 4 millimeters, and it is just slightly over 9 millimeters long. $15 millimeters wide, and 1 centimeter thick. I haven't actually used this for anything yet, but it looks like it would be useful for attaching accessories and stuff to other camera mounts. Anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching.